Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 38. Which state has launched a dedicated platform for investors from the global diaspora to make investments in the state startups? Options: Option A Karnataka, Option B Gujarat, Option C Punjab, Option D Tamil Nadu. So let's look into the answer. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin launched the Global Tamil Angels platform www.tamilangels.fund for investors from the global Tamil diaspora to make investments in the state startups. Global Tamil Angels is a platform by Startup TN that makes fundraising easy for Tamil Nadu based startups and investing easy for global Tamil angel investors by helping them get connected. It aims to onboard angel investors from the Tamil diaspora across the countries. So, the right answer for this question is option D, Tamil Nadu. And here is another question for you. Which city is the host of Aadi Shaurya-Parv Parakram, a military tattoo and tribal dance festival? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.